Hi, welcome to LOOkX YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create the Loving Luxury look from the Key to Luxury collection. Start this look with a good base makeup. Start with the LOOkX Smart 4-in-1 Protection Primer to make sure your makeup stays put all day long. Follow with your favourite LOOkX foundation and use the LOOkX foundation brush for a smooth application. Use LOOkX concealer to cover dark circles and blemishes. Blend the concealer with your fingertips or use LOOkX foundation brush. Finish the base makeup with a powder like the LOOkX Natural Velvet Mineral Powder to set your foundation in place. Now start with the eyes. Use the LOOkX Creamy Eyeshadow Desert on the eyelids as an eyeshadow base. Blend with your fingertips or use the LOOkX eyeshadow brush. Apply LOOkX eyeshadow number 123 Sparkling Bubbles Pearl on the top of the creamy eyeshadow using the LOOkX eyeshadow brush. Apply a little eyeshadow on the lower lash line too. Take your LOOkX Quick Long Lasting Liquid Eyeliner Deep Black and draw a line on the upper lash line with a dabbing motion for extra control. Use the LOOkX exclusive eyeliner number 07 Deep Black Matte on the waterline. Use the LOOkX Loose Eyeshadow Moon Shimmer Gold Brown and take your LOOkX eyeshadow brush. Apply a little amount of the moon shimmer on the inner corner of the eyes for a fresh look. Apply the LOOkX Mascara Ultra Wear on the upper and lower lashes in a zigzagging motion. Finish the Loving Luxury look with the LOOkX Lip Gloss number 15 Red Rose Pearl on the lips. This lip gloss contains a special mix of pearls for a more volumized appearance on the lips. Don't forget to follow LOOkX on social media for more beauty tips and tricks.